Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Mac Salad and Casual Chef Oven Barbecue Baked Ribs. The morning mise en place. The mise en place for the Mac Salad. The mise en place for the ribs. Just after prep for the Mac Salad. All the goodies for the rib rub. The hot jacuzzi's ready. The shells are in the hot jacuzzi. All the goodies for the rub in the bowl. All mixed together. The shells are ready. All the goodies for the dressing for the Mac Salad. Everything in the bowl. All whisked up. And everything for assembly for the Mac Salad. Everything in the bowl except for the dressing. All mixed together. And here's the final Mac Salad. All the goodies for the sauce for the ribs. Here it is in the saucepan. On low on the stove. And it will simmer for an hour. The ribs getting ready for the rub. The rubs got their massage. The ribs are in the hot box for 2 hours. Here it is right out of the oven. Slathered with good old barbecue sauce. Here they are under the broiler getting nuked. Right after the broiler. Again, the finished Mac Salad. The finished ribs. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.